Welcome back to campustech.
Hello, friend. If your phone is not charging or your charger is not going into the charging port, so there are multiple reasons: dust, dirt, or debris. So let's find out what is in it. So, as you can see, this is a dirty charging port. That tool, which I'm using right now, that is a dentist tool, but it's very good for charging cleaning, and you'll see that. So, as you see, something coming out. Yeah, it's a big piece. Look like the guy is working in the field, because that is the normal when you work outside, so you can collect a lot of dirt in your charging port. So gently just clean it. Make sure you don't press too much hard, otherwise it will break your charging port, because the charging port is in for the in make with the plastic. So very careful, don't put too much pressure on it, and that you can do with your iPhone, your AirPods, your tablet, I mean your iPads. Those has this lightning stuff, and type C also you can charge the same way, but it is little more tricky. So as you can see, a lot of more stuff is still coming on from there, and yeah, look like it's clean a little bit, but let's final touch it. Nothing coming out, so which means it's time to use compressed air to blow out any remaining debris. So what I use, that is a dust off. You can get it from easily Home Depot or somewhere. So just close, make sure the inch or 2 inch from, and then press it, and after go see nothing is here. Let's try the charger. Now charger is going perfectly fine, and it is charging. Now as you can see, it turns on and shows the Apple logo. Thank you very much for watching.